Alright, we just started.
Alright, after his next blast, I'll go.
Not a lot of space.
What's that?
I said there's not a lot of space. Do y'all want me to just like focus on y'all too, or try to like collect?
There's the 0.5 zoom on that.
Zoomed out.
Oh, you're already?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do what you think.
Yeah,
Okay.
it looks wacky.
Do you, Abram, take this woman to be your lawfully wedded wife, to live together in matrimony, to love her, comfort her, honor and keep her, in sickness and in health, in sorrow and in joy, to have and to hold from this day forward, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Do you, Farah, take this man to be your lawfully wedded husband, to live together in matrimony, to love him, comfort him, honor and keep him, in sickness and in health, in sorrow and in joy, to have and to hold from this day forward, as long as you both shall live?
I do.
By the authority vested in me by the state of New York, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Woohoo! Congratulations.
Should we shake your hand?
I'll take a handshake.
Yeah, me too. I'll take a pound.
Do you wanna like cut this and then restart it, or just keep it rolling?
No, keep it rolling.
All right.
Let it roll.
What a day! What a beautiful day
Wow.
for it.
Thank you,
Oh, that must
Justin.
be Snake River. That makes sense.
This is the Genesee River.
Alright, we'll cut that part out.
but it's a very snaky river, you're right.
It's like perfect.
Winds up. This part that you see here is all the park, the wooded area.
Yeah.
There's a dam up at the other end, and then it's pointed right at the Rochester skyline, which you can barely see on the horizon.
Oh yeah, you can.
And
Wow.
That's where it empties out into Lake Ontario. That's about 50 miles away.
Wow.
Yeah, this is my first time in New York. I from North Carolina, so I haven't traveled up to these parts too many
You
times.
picked a good spot to visit.
Yeah, I always have.
One of the gems.
Guess
Yeah.
the earth really is flat.
He's like, I can say all the stupid things now.
I was wrong this whole time.
Hey, he's like, here comes the poop joke.
I gave all this shit to flat earthers.
Beautiful seeing like the rolling of the hills, you know, those peaks in the ground.
Yeah, PA got all the rolling hills. I'm always like, look at that hill. Wow. There is like an odd calmness.
Yeah.
Like you guys are.
Like, how are we so comfortable with just where we're at right
That
now?
must be like music to your ears.
Y'all are comfortable?
Oh no.
She just like, remember how I told you I didn't like roller coasters or heights?
Oh yeah.
Like when we went to Dollar General yesterday, I actually bought some Huggies.
He's like,
Just in case.
yeah, maybe it's just
We
because
hear
there's
crinkling.
like such a small acceleration.
CJ hasn't changed position because you'll hear it crinkling.
Sorry if y'all smell anything. Get the propane going, Lance.
Do you have? Is it just assumed that you can land wherever you want?
We have a pretty good idea where there are a few places that we don't want to land.
Yeah.
A couple of cranky landowners around.
Mm-hmm.
But mostly it's common sense. Don't land in somebody's planted crops. Don't
Right.
Land in something, stay away from trees and power lines.
Yeah.
But for the most part, people are happy to see us, or they at least don't mind. Nice thing about flying in this area is there's so much wide open farmland.
That's what Yeti does. What if it's like carrying a dead rabbit? That's scary.